Welcome to Industrial Problem Solving. My name is Dave Roysum. I am super excited to continue our new mini-series on paying attention to our web and roll products. Here we will show how to easily set up a great inspection station on your machine. I know your time is precious, so let's get started. In situ simply means in the original place, such as your machine, rather than in some other place, such as on an inspection table. In situ is most convenient. However, to do this well, we need to control composition and lighting. We also need to control tension and roller alignment so that the machine does not affect our read of web flatness. In my award-winning and trademarked Web 101 class that has been taken by 5,000 students, we teach how machine imperfections can make it more difficult to read things like baggy web, curl, and many other defects. First, note the effects of web tension on the flatness of a baggy web. At a high average machine set point tension, the web may be in tension everywhere, and you may not see bagginess, especially on low modulus products. However, if the tension is reduced, the bagginess may now become visible as a lack of flatness, as shown here on the back quarter point. The bagginess was always there. It was just not visible at higher tensions. The takeaway here is that you must carefully control web tension in the inspection area. Next, note the effects of roller misalignment on the read of flatness. The effect is to tip the tension profile. Now tell me, is the back quarter point loose? Or is it baggy? Or is it both? The takeaway here is that you must carefully control in-plane roller misalignment in the inspection area. There is one more mechanical ingredient that we need to make a great inspection station on your machine. That is a long span. A relatively longer span will make bagginess, curl, and many other web flatness issues much easier to see. Okay, so now let's incorporate all of these ideas of great tension control and precision local in-plane roller alignment and a long span into our machine. While a horizontal run may be best for observing bagginess, it is awkward to look up at the web. Also, we want to be able to see the web straight on, as seen here, as well as edge on. While a walkway could serve as an observation station, this violates two best practices for keeping our webs clean. The first is that we want to avoid having operators walking or working above webs because operators are a great source of contamination. The second is that we want to avoid having the web close to the floor, because floors are especially dirty and static electricity and small air currents can bring that floor dirt up to our web. So here is one inspection option that is commonly available on most machines. First, it is comfortable for the operator to view the web in either the sitting and or standing positions. Second, we have carefully controlled web tension and roller alignment in the local area so that the machine doesn't talk to our read of the web. Finally, we have control lighting. By controlled, we mean composition, such as being able to see the web from straight on or edge on. By controlled, we mean lighting, such as having backlighting and front lighting and side lighting, which are all independently controlled. It also might include having a strobe light. Control lighting will be the subject of our next clip. Of course, your machine may look nothing like the previous slide. Instead, it might look something like this. Here we have a small duplex winder that has a splicing table quite ergonomically placed. However, what a missed opportunity. We could have also turned this into a great inspection station in addition to being a great splicing table. All that would have been required is to make the table out of glass or plexiglass and add controlled lighting. Thank you so very much for joining me in this problem solving and problem preventing series based on observation. In this clip, we've learned that most machines can be easily modified to incorporate a great inspection station. Great means great tension control and great local in-plane roller alignment. It also means great control of lighting, as we will cover in great detail in the next clip. If you found anything interesting or useful here, please like and share. Also, please consider supporting the work of this channel using the Patreon link below. Patreons are given special thank you gifts ranging from email help to a signed copy of my latest book, the must-have 500-page Web Handling Handbook. See you next time.